Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'll be showing you how to do these super cool geode inspired nails. So to get started, I already have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And so for the base color, I'm going to be using Kira Sky's Lilac Lolly. It's this nice light lavender gray kind of a color. And so I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this color on all of my nails. And this nail design is inspired by the tutorial done by Clawgasmic. She has a Facebook site for nail techs only, so if you're a nail tech, make sure to go check her out. The design for this look will be done on a piece of foil. So here I am taking a dark purple, this is Kira Sky's Amulet, and I'm going to go ahead and create a large palette of this color on my foil. And sorry for the quality of the footage on the foil, it's very reflective and it kind of messes with the camera a little bit. So here I'm taking Kira Sky's Chinchilla, this is like a medium purple shade, very pretty, this is one of my favorite purples at the moment. I'm taking my Robin Moses unicorn brush, it's just a long striping brush, and I'm going to take that medium purple and drag lines in through the dark purple. Now here I'm taking that first base color I used, that Lilac Lolly, and I'm dragging some of that color in between the lines as well. So now I'm taking a flat brush. Today I'm going to use my Light Elegance Oval number 4 brush. And what you're going to do is you're going to scrape up the colors, and then you're going to drag the colors on the nail the opposite way you pulled them up. And I am wiping off my brush before I pick up more colors. And so it's better if you pick up a lot of the paint, and then you want to point to the brush down so that way the paint comes off of the brush and onto the nail. I did have to practice with this design. You can see on my pinky nail it kind of has the design, but as I go through the other nails you can see the geode design coming out more and more. So just practice with this one, but it is a super cool technique. So here I'm going in and I'm creating that base color with the dark purple. And I did find that when you drag the lines through the dark color, you want to put the lines closer together. I find that that creates a better geode design. And do remember to wipe off your brush before dipping it back into the bottle. So here again I am scraping up the lines, and now I am dragging them down onto my nail. And you just want to keep going back and forth, getting more colors, going back to the nails, and you can kind of fill in those empty spaces that need it. And what's nice with this look is you can be as messy as you want. It's not a perfect look. You don't have to create a perfect line with this. The geode is supposed to be very different, very abstract, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And now I'm going back on the tip of this nail and adding a little bit more of those colors. And I am flash curing each nail before moving on to the next, just so that way I don't smudge or bump into the nails while they're still wet. And again, try angling the brush downward so that way the paint comes off of the brush and onto the nail. Now that I'm done with the geode pattern, I'm going to go ahead and give those a full cure. Then I'm going to go ahead and top coat this design. I'm using Madame Glam's top coat today, and I'm going to give that a full cure as well. So now that I have cured the top coat, I'm going to go in and remove the tacky layer with some alcohol. Then I'm going to go over and lightly buff all of the nails. You're doing this just to remove the shine. And after you buff them, I went ahead and cleansed the nails once again with the alcohol. Here I'm taking my Robin Moses wand brush. It's more of a detailer brush. And what you're going to want to do is take some top coat. I just put a little dab on my foil there. And you're going to go in and create some lines on the geode nails, kind of following the natural pattern of what you had created. Because afterwards, you're going to go in and put some foil, and so with the top coat you're going to make those lines of where you want the foil to go, just to add some accents. So once you have those lines all drawn out the way you like, go ahead and give those a full cure. And so now this creates a nice palette for the foil to stick to, because you buffed off that surface and then cured the new top coat on. So that's going to allow the foil to just stick to those lines that you drew on. So here I'm taking the gold foil. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going in and tapping it on the nails. This is my first time using foil, so it didn't quite come out the way I wanted to. I did have to, in the end, go back through, add some more lines with the top coat, and reapply the foil just because some of them did not stick. But everything takes practice, so next time I'll know how to use the foil better. So after you have the foil all where you want it, you want to go ahead and top coat all of the nails once again. And there you have it. This is a super cool and unique design. It definitely takes a little bit of practice, but it doesn't have to be perfect with this design. It's fun. Try it out with different colors. I used only purple today because purple is my favorite color, so obviously I did purple. But Clawgasmic did a rainbow design, which was super cool. I will post a picture in here somewhere. And make sure to go check out her and all of the other nail techs who have been doing this design off of her tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!